Hi guys, and thank you for checking out our video here at Black Stag Styling. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other videos. There's loads on the channel, loads of really cool stuff, so do please take a look at some of them. But for this video, we have a lovely little TT, or Audi TT S-Line, so an S edition one this, already in the black, but we have it in with us to get rid of all the chrome. So we're going to be taking all the chrome bits off from around the vehicle, doing them either in gloss black or in body colour. We have a couple of sort of grey sections as well, so they're going to be done in the body colour of the vehicle. So all of them bits off. We're also getting rid of the chrome badges, putting the gloss black badges on, and changing the front grille. So front grille is going to come out. We're going to put a honeycomb front grille in gloss black, of course, so that'll just yeah, finish the look off nicely. Wheels, of course, as well. At the moment they're diamond cut, so we're going to get them off, get them stripped, do them in gloss black, and fuel filler flap as well. So we've got a few bits, mirror covers, all sorts of bits and pieces, so stay tuned for this one. Going to be good. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the old channel, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. We'll get this into the workshop, start stripping all the bits. So here we go, roll the old intros. Right, okay, we just had some of the badges turn up for the Audi, so we've now got, if you can just see these, the black badges. So these are genuine badges from Audi, so they're the black badge kit to go with the little TT behind me. So I'm just going to stick the badges in the car ready for them to go on at a later date. Wheels are all off. I'll just give you a quick view of all of this. So we now have the wheels all off the car, as you can see. They're now being all stripped and will be done in the gloss black, and then it'll be time to get all the other bits off. Right, okay, so we are getting on really well now with the Audi. Loads of the bits are stripped. The wheels are now all done, so they're now into the gloss black. It's now a case of getting all the bits stripped. Tommy, behind me, you can just see him over here, has already got all the bumpers off the vehicle, wing mirror covers, a few other bits and pieces, so we're going to see how he's doing. Have a little look at the car. Don't forget, do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if you want a little bit of the Black Stag touch. Do give us a shout. Right, let's see how he's doing. How are we doing then, pal?
Yeah, very well, thank you. We're just, as you can see, front bumper. This is the rear one, are off.
Yeah.
Got the mirrors off for the gloss black, I believe. And yeah, well, we're all stripped basically.
Yeah, wheels are all done, aren't they? There we go, look, wheels are looking rather smart. We do have the badges to do. Badges? No, the centre caps.
Yep,
to do.
New badges to fit that are already painted in black.
That's it.
Audi.
You got it, pal, you got it.
So,
we got the front bumper over just behind you over there. Lovely.
Yeah, it's all going on well.
Well, mate, it's coming along nicely, isn't it? Getting a few bits all done.
Yeah, mate.
Carry on, pal.
No worries. Thank you very much.
No, please do. Right, so all the bits are stripped off the back of the Audi, as you can see. We've also got the exhaust tips to be doing in heat resistant black paint, and then all the chrome bits are over here. We've got the wing mirror covers, wheel centre caps. These are all going in gloss black, and then the little fog lights around, or fog light sections, fuel filler flap, and then trim off the back bumper. All got to be done in gloss black. So like I say, wheels are all done. They look pretty cool. It's going to be very black, all of this. Will look very smart. Right, we are now in the booth with all the parts that Fraser has just painted and lacquered. So we're going to have a little look at this. We like to always show you the bits we've been doing. So these are all the bits now in gloss black. He's still got the colour-coded, couple of colour-coded bits to do, which he'll be doing very shortly. So we'll have a little look at these. Okay, so we have the alloy wheel centre caps, now in a lovely, lovely gloss black. We have the fuel flap. There we go, look. In the gloss black as well. What we've got, wing mirror covers, looking at beautiful. Another one there. And then, oh yeah, the little caps off the wheels. Well, they were off the centre cap, but they were chrome. We've got, actually that's a centre console bit for Turner's Hyundai that we're just doing. Another bit for the fuel cap. And then a silver trim, which I believe is off the rear bumper. And then just outside, we have Fraser. Woohoo! There he is. Right. Okay, so we'll look to get these out of the booth. These will be now just checked and then ready to fit back onto the car. And Fraser will get the other bits in ready to paint. Lovely jubbly. Right, now back in the booth, the last two bits for the little Audi TT. So we have the the rear section, or the section off the rear bumper, and this is the section off the front bumper. These have both been colour coded. Francois is now getting all prepped, don't we, bud?
Yeah, all prepped, boy.
Giving it a degrease, ready for some primer. There we go, right, we're over with Tom, who's now fitting the new grille, aren't we, mate?
Yes, well, I am. It's not we.
Yes, Tommy's fitting the new grille. How did the old one come out, said? Please do tell us.
Quite easily, it's down there. Just unclips, bolts, come out, screws, should I say.
Yeah, not too bad.
Just bash bosh. Just one end.
Give us a little view of the give us a little view of the new grille in there, mate. Let's have just a quick little peek. Then we'll let you carry on.
There we go. I haven't fitted, there's a little trim that on that one, as you can see, is chrome.
Let's have a look just
But
down
he's
there.
having a black one fitted, which I haven't got out of the packet. I think it's in there somewhere, I think.
Yeah, be in the box, I'm sure.
Oh no, it's over there.
Just over there we go. Just
Ever
over there.
organised.
Always, mate. Always looking good.
So yeah, just got a little trim in there. That's why it looks a bit odd at the moment.
Yeah.
And then yeah, swap the number plate round.
And we're good to go.
Yeah, pretty much good to go.
Lovely jubbly. Carry on, pal. Carry on.
Thank you.
Looking good. And the grill.
You know it.
Right, so we're now, or Ad's now stripping the badges off the Audi. We've got the black badges to go on, so he's got the front one off. Come round over here, look, here he is, look.
Oh, hello, Ali.
Hello.
Hello, Ali.
Oh, look, there's Tommy as well, look.
I'm supervising the supervisor.
Well, double supervising.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know it.
Better to be safe than, better to be extra safe, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just safe and something.
So as you can see, Ad's now about to get the rear badges off. We've got our black badges on the top here. Genuine Audi badges in the black. Ad's just lining everything up, get them off. Tommy's over here doing some repairs, aren't we, Tommy?
Yeah, doing a bit of primer prep.
Final prep in the bumper.
Yep.
We've got a few things going on. Then we've got a Citroen, actually not, it's not called a Citroen now, as it says, a DS7 in for some bumper repairs. We've got our Defender, which will also be on a video on our channel, which is having a load of styling work done. We've got another Mercedes in over here, having a bumper repair. All sorts of stuff. And then we've got vehicles outside, having all sorts of work done as well. There we go, look.
Cars everywhere.
Cars everywhere. Here comes Fraser.
Yeah.
Right, Francois is just mixing up the colour or the paint for the exhaust tips, the old heat resistant paint. Here it is, look.
There it is.
Special stuff. Always stirring things, you, aren't you?
I like to stir the pot. We'll just do a quick viscosity check. Yep. perfect.
It's a bit of a pro, old Fraser. It's got an eye for viscosities, haven't you?
No, I've actually got a stinging eye. I've got some degreasing.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good. So the exhaust tips are all masked out. Normally we would try and take these off the car, but they are non-removable because they are welded on. So everything's masked out, they've been fully prepped and ready to get some colour on. Here we go.
Hello mate, how we doing?
All good, all
Now
good.
getting these black badges on.
Looking good.
We are pretty much there mate though.
Look at that look. Lovely jubbly.
Excellent. Yeah.
They do look better, don't it? Make a big difference. It's be very black, this car, lots of black.
Yeah, it's very black. Yeah, should look good.
Smart.
Get some bumpers back up next, shall we?
Yeah, boy. Give us a spin.
Hey.
Right, now we're getting all the bits fitted back onto the rear bumper. Haven't we, Paul?
Yeah, hopefully.
So we got this.
Tommy took them off, so there's no chance.
Yeah, anything could happen. So we got all our gloss black bits. Looking lovely. All going back on. Exhaust tips are all done. May just about be able to make it out in the background. We got another bit on there, Paul. I can't remember. Is that the last?
Well, I didn't take it a bit. But yes, I think there is more in here.
Yeah, we've got some more bits.
Two end bits.
Lovely. Right, we are now coming to the end of doing the work on the Audi TT, aren't we, lads?
Yeah, it's nearly 5 o'clock, so...
Well, yeah, that is true. It's nearly 5
Yeah.
o'clock. That's not what I meant, Tommy.
Oh.
That's not what I meant. We're nearly finished all the styling on it. So we have all the bits in the front. We've got a couple of last little bits to do. Tommy's now getting the mirrors all back together, as we can see here. Putting the glass back in. Got to be careful with the glass because what we don't want to do obviously is break any of the glass.
No.
So Tommy's been extra careful there.
You probably wouldn't ever let that go, would you?
No, if that happened, no, definitely not.
No.
Fuel filler cap and bits and pieces are all on. Rear bumper's now back on the vehicle. With all the bits done. Badges are all on. So it's now just getting them last little bits finished. Hi guys, and thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Been a pleasure to have you along for this one with the Audi TTS. Had this in for quite a few bits and pieces, getting rid of all that silver and chrome, turning it to either gloss black or body colour. So yeah, being a nice one to do. This does look really smart. So I'm starting at the front. Let's start at the front of the vehicle. We took the front bumper off. We changed the grille, so that was quite a big part. So it's got a brand new honeycomb grille on it in the gloss black, of course. Changed the rest of the bits on the front from, like I say, silver or chrome to body colour or gloss black. Then moving down the sides of the vehicle, of course, we done the wheels, had them removed, got them done in the gloss black. Just again getting rid of all that black. We also done the fuel filler flap as well. That's been off, that's been done in the gloss black. And then of course to the back of the vehicle. On the back, there's rear bumper off. We've done the silver trims and the chrome trims, all into gloss and body colour. And of course the exhaust tips as well. So they've been masked up and then of course done in heat resistant gloss black paint. So it's been a nice one. This has made a huge difference to the car. Looks a lot more aggressive now. I think that's everything. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget, do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling. If there's anything you'd like our help with styling, we've got all our Maxton stuff, hydro dipping, loads and loads of different options. So check out some of the other videos on the channel, particularly the Maxton stuff. Lots of options with body styling with them parts. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the odd notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. We're now going to give you a last look around the vehicle, as we always do. Just make sure you like it as much as we do. And we will hopefully catch you for another video very soon. So take care. Catch you soon.